Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about university questions for Part 1 Subsidiary Chemistry. So let us start learning of pattern of questions of chemistry for Part 1 Subsidiary exams. Before attempting any questions in any examination, first you have to read the instructions provided or written on your questions booklet. You can see here, answer any 5 questions. Select at least one from each groups. So you have group 3 here, group A, group B and group C. You have to select one questions from each, and then you have to choose another 2 questions you can choose from any groups. So you have to choose maximum 2 from each groups. For examples, if you choose 1 1 1, then it becomes 3. If you are choosing another 4th questions from group A or group B or group C, and again you are choosing from group A, then it becomes 3. So you have to limit only 2 maximum from each groups and 1 at minimum. Now you can see the pattern of the university examinations. Questions 1 contains A, B, C. First, how real gases deviate from ideal behavior. Second, deduce van der Waals equation of static for real gases. This is the van der Waals equation of a state, not a static state for real gases. What are significance of van der Waals constants? So you have to write the answers of these 3 questions which is belongs to 1. So all these 3 questions belongs to 1. Define a specific conductance, equivalent conductance and molar conductance. And questions B, how molar conductance varies with dilutions. The measure resistance of conductivity cell cost containing this molar solution of potassium chloride at 25 degrees Celsius was this mole. Calculate a specific conductance with the help of this data and molar conductance cell constant, it is given here. Now the last question from group A is write short note on the following: dialysis, Tyndall effect and peptidations. Now group B, again you have 1, 2, 3 questions. Questions 1 means question 4 and 5th and 6th. They are 1, 2, 3. These all 3 questions from inorganic chemistry. To explain the following: bond angle of NF3 is less than that of NH3. H2O is V-shaped whereas ClF3 is T-shaped. Lithium chloride is more covalent than sodium chloride. Bond angle of water is less than that of ammonia. This is very reasoning and very logical questions. If you explain such type of questions, definitely examiner will be pleased with you. Now the second question, define electronegativity and electron affinity. What are important differences between them? So if you write the definitions of electronegativity and electron affinity, automatically one difference is there in definition itself. Then you have explained the following: electron affinity of chlorine is higher than that of fluorine. Why? You have to answer it. PbCl2 is more stable than PbCl4. What is the reason behind it? And IE1 of N is higher than that of oxygen. Hence electronegativity of 1 of nitrogen is higher than that of oxygen. Now last question from the inorganic chemistry is write notes on Fazan's rules, inert pair effect, Pauli exclusion principle, and Holmes rule. So you have to prepare the note of these questions from any book. You just check the inert pair effect in content, Holmes rule in content, Fazan's rule in content, and Pauli exclusion principle in content, and make your own notes. And that one is much better in comparison to other notes. Now, the group C contains organic chemistry. All these three questions belongs to organic chemistry. So first, how sulfur is detected and estimated in an organic compound? Detections and estimation. First detect it is there or not, and then how much you have to estimate. So question is how sulfur is detected and estimated in an organic compound. Give the method of detections by chemical test and estimations, and how would you distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. You have the next questions. Write short note on Markovnikov rule, stability of carbocation, and bond fusion. And you have last question from these groups. What are Grignard reagents and how it is prepared? How will you prepare the following compounds with the help of Grignard reagents? Tert butyl alcohol, propionic acid, and secondary butyl alcohol. So these three questions belong to organic chemistry. These three questions belong to inorganic chemistry, and first three questions belong to physical chemistry. So my friends, I hope you understand the pattern of university examination, and especially subsidiary guy. They are coming from different background. Means some have the mathematics honors, some have geology botany honors, some have the physics background. So for those guys, definitely benefited with this video. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.